Cross half-lap joints are commonly used in this type of stool construction. Here I show you how to cut it using the cross-cut guide used in Sugita's woodworking method and utilizing the accurate guide function. Produce a cross half-lap joint in the center of the workpiece. Calculate the position of the first cut and set this value on the caliper. The depth of cut is half or just slightly more than half the width of the workpiece. Attach the saw blade spacer to the cross-cut guide. Transfer the caliper value to the workpiece and clamp it. Remove the saw blade spacer and make the first cut. At this time, it is not necessary to reach the depth of cut line. Extend the curve later. Attach the saw blade spacer to the cross-cut guide again. Attach the fence to the workpiece while placing it against the saw blade spacer. Then remove the saw blade spacer. The workpiece is then shifted and another workpiece is placed between the fence and the cross-cut guide and the second cut is made in that position. You have now finished the cut using the function of the accurate guide. The distance between the two curves is equal to the thickness of the workpiece. The same operation is carried out on the other workpiece. Then extend the curves. Fix the workpiece in the bench vise and extend the curves to the scribe line. The waste part is usually removed with a coping saw and a chisel, but here I will use a water pliers.